Hi. Welcome to another automation video by ARSO. Today we would like to talk about inexpensive lighting automation solutions for smaller homes and of course townhomes. Here we have a small brain for the system and a smart dimmer. This dimmer would replace a regular switch and will let you turn lights on, dim up, dim down, or turn off manually or from your smartphone. Let's take a look at a real example on this side of the showroom. Here we have our simple automation app and a smart dimmer installed in place. I can use my phone to turn the light on or dim. Multiple lights can be grouped together with a scene. Android and iPhone will both work beautifully. Manual interface conventionally remains on the switch for local control. Whether you use the app or the switch, they will be synchronized in real-time manner. Let's go to the other side and see how we can integrate a Nest thermostat to the same app. Here we have our smart thermostat on the wall and the app we were just looking at. I can adjust temperature on my phone and see the results on the device. All of these controls could be done from home or anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Hope you enjoyed this quick demo of our basic light and HVAC automation. Check other videos for more advanced and custom interfaces.